Welcome back to Tiny Wonders 8. Let's start second video of Riddle series. In this video, you can test your logic and creativity with 20 fun riddles. Can you crack them all? Ready? Let's dive in. I am green and I croak at night. What am I? A frog. I have a horn, but I am not a car. What am I? A unicorn. I buzz and love flowers. What am I? Bee. I am white and soft and fall from the sky in winter. What am I? Snow. I have a shell and I live in the sea. What am I? A turtle. I have a mane and I say nay. What am I? A horse. I am small, round, and you bounce me. What am I? A ball. I am colorful and you can blow me up for a party. What am I? A balloon. I glow at night and I live in the sky. What am I? A star. I am soft, cuddly, and kids hug me tight. What am I? A teddy bear. I am sweet, frozen, and come in a cone. What am I? Ice cream. I have wings and I can flap, but I am not alive. What am I? A paper plane. I am black and white and I eat bamboo. What am I? A panda. I climb trees and I love bananas. What am I? Monkey. I swim, but I am not a fish. I quack, but I am not a bird. What am I? A duck. I am round and sit in the sky at night. What am I? A moon. I am yellow and you can peel me to eat. What am I? A banana. I am made of water, but I am not alive. What am I? A raindrop. I live in a web and have 8 legs. What am I? A spider. I have stripes and I live in the jungle. What am I? A tiger.